Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk again about the products, skincare and a little bit of makeup I finished lately. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to finish really soon this one serum from Garnier with vitamin C. I like it, but this is a new version, upgraded version. It has light yellow color to it, and I prefer the previous one better when it was before changes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase it again or not. I still have a bottle of an old version, so I'm going to try this one and see if it's really different or if it's only in my mind. I finally finished a cleanser, face cleanser with vitamin C from Cafe Mimi. It lasted me 1 year and a half. To be transparent, I used it only during the mornings, but still it's 220 milliliters and it lasted me 1 year and a half. I liked it, but not enough to purchase it again. I finished serum from Ziaja, antioxidation acai berry against tech neck effect. I really need it because I work in tech. This one, liked it, like the smell of this, like the consistency. It didn't break me out. Very nice one and very cheap one. You can purchase it on Natino or Primor here in Portugal. So I really enjoyed it. I finished the sun care SPF from SVR SPF 50 blur with blurring effect and the colored one. I liked it, but I preferred the clear one to tinted one. Shampoo, I finished, I guess, two of them. Yeah, both are from Herbal Essences, but one is purifying from with mint, and other one is hydrating with coconut. I prefer with coconut with my thin light hairs. It works the best. But both of them, they were very nice. Face cream from Ziaja, Marine Algae Deep Moisturizing Cream for dry and normal skin age 30 plus. I'm definitely 30 plus. I didn't have like very heavy texture or something. It was more like gel texture, but really nice. I also enjoyed it a lot. Nice scent. Everything was perfect about this. I finished up a cooling gel for my legs from my label, Continental supermarket chain label with menthol. Like it, I purchased it again and again. Finished up the shower gel again from my label water one. They do not have this particular smell anymore, but if they have it again, I will purchase it again. It was my favorite. Finished the deodorant from Dove Classic, like this roll-on Dove deodorant antiperspirant. Finished Florence by Mills Zero Chill Face Mist. I'm not going to purchase it again. It was hydrating enough to use it just alone during a summer for my oily combination skin, but honestly I just purchased a rose water with rose essence in this, and I prefer it to this one. Finished Embryolisse Active Peeling Night. It's type of night mask you put on your face for a night, and contains different acids. Basically, it helps to to make your skin clear, brighter, and all this stuff. So I enjoyed it, but also I found out Nivea has a good one. So I'm using Nivea. This one, Rogues Medical Minerals, it's a thing to basically repair your teeth. I put it on my teeth for a night and sleep with it. Seems like it helps. Big one finished on the perfume from Zara Emotions, created by Jo Malone. Water Lily Tea Dress. Honestly, it's a one perfume I got the most compliments on from men, especially. Men, they often complimented me on this perfume, saying I was smelling nice and everything. It's amazing. Like everyone complimented me on this perfume. I have a second bottle of this. I have other perfumes from Jo Malone collaboration with Zara, but yeah, this one was my favorite one, and everyone's favorite on me. I finished iron supplements from Now Foods, helpful, great. Finished the powder from oh my god, it's a super like cheap, kind of cheap clothes store. Primark. From Primark, PS Sweet loose face setting powder. I liked it. Unfortunately, this particular package it's not possible to open, so I can't get the last bits of this powder. But it was really nice. I purchased another powder from Primark. I really like powders from Primark. Um, Face bases like uh, and mascara. Mascara is perfect. I'm going to purchase it again as soon as I finish the current I have. I decided to get rid of Essence Silky Blue Poreless Primer because I feel like it got bad. Although I purchased it not so long time ago, but I don't feel it was good enough, and I don't think that it's good now. Finished lip oil from Essence, liked it, very nice, light color, very light color, nice hydration for lips, not expensive. Also decided to get rid of Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I liked it, it's silicone free, but I had it for many years. I don't know, like maybe 3 years, 5 years, something around this number. So I think it's not usable anymore. Also decided to get rid of Natasha Denona eyeliner, Microblade liquid liner, because also I had it for a long time and I don't feel comfortable to putting it onto my eyelids. The same story for this Lottie Stamp liner. NYX the brow glue, brow gel. I liked it, but it got like gluey and not pretty very quick. And again, I didn't feel it. Like many influencers said it was like glue for brows, for eyebrows. It wasn't like this for me, so I decided to get rid of this. Other thing, the same type of things for eyebrows from not Too Faced. I even don't remember the brand of this, but I guess you can recognize it because like everything just gone. Very very short small brush. I like it, but it done nothing in order to hold my eyebrows in shape. So oh, my favorite mascara from Primark actually. This one, Extreme Lash Mascara PS Pro, and it was in brown color, and it was perfect. Didn't smudge, didn't flake. This kind of brush, perfect lashes with it. Very very nice. Highly recommend. Another mascara. I use this mascara from the same brand now. Rimmel Extra Super Lash. I like it. I liked Rimmel mascaras the best before I discovered the Primark one. Finished the Essence Juicy Bomb Poly Balm, Glossy Butter Balm. You have very very little inside, like so little. Basically, that's all you have. Not much more. It's cheap. It's nice. It has nice color, nice hydration to lips. Very very nice, pretty. Everything great about this, but the amount here is so small. If you like it, you have to purchase it like each month, I think. And yeah, I finished the concealer, Maybelline Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I even don't know in which color because everything just worn off, but I liked it. I have plenty of concealers to go through now, but this one was also very nice. And yeah, that's it. Hope it was interesting and hope to see you again.